In this video, I'll show you how to change the content maturity level for your Roblox account. So just to make this nice and easy, I'm going to be demonstrating this on an internet browser, and you first need to head over to the roblox.com website and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, click on the settings icon in the top right hand side and select settings, click on privacy and content maturity from the left and select content maturity. Now in order to adjust the sensitivity level on your account, you can just move this slider. Now if you move this slider all the way to the left, then your account is essentially going to have the highest level of restrictions. So as you can see here, if I set this to minimal, then it may contain occasional mild violence, light unrealistic blood, and occasional mild fear. Now if you want no restrictions on your account, then you can move this slider all the way to restricted, but you may need to verify your age by clicking on this verify now button, and you will need to upload proof of your age either by uploading a driving license or a passport. So if for some reason you can't verify your age, then what I'd recommend doing is just moving this slider to moderate, and that way you're going to get a healthy balance between things that are restricted and things that aren't restricted. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change the content maturity settings on Roblox. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.